me tell her bring a trash bag. Damn it, bro. I was just trying to tell you bring a trash bag, but I said it too late. Thank you, gang. All we're gonna need is this. All right, let's see. Can I do something like this? What is it again? There you go.
Oh yeah, you like a K-Dog fucking
Feel me?
too, so. Well,
Him. I had to realize that. Okay, good thing we don't need that.
that was easy. That's it.
Positive, always first. All right, let's not break nothing. All right. Crank that bitch up.
Oh, start it up?
Hell yeah. Starting right up. Now, this drain, where the fuck did I, oh. Hell yeah. Let me put on the e-brake too. I want to check. Okay. See that? Look at it, I was just turning. Gotta go get some other type of socket. It's funny, these are non-slip sockets and they're slipping. Nope. Okay, it's turning. We gotta be ready for a quick swap. That was not super quick. Yes, it's a 10mm. Now we could tighten. The problem with the last one, because the teeth were all messed up, I couldn't tighten. Oh, I'm sorry. When I talk to myself with the camera on, it's for the video, for the niggas watching.
I forgot you had that dude.
Let's see. We gotta make sure this is straight, no funnel, butt naked. I love saying that, butt naked. Like, who made that up? Not naked, but naked. All right, start it up. I'm gonna pull the dipstick, see your level,